Hello peoples, I has a box shipped all the way from Italy. RC Model Store. Not my first purchase from these people. Hopefully not the last. Come on, come on, jump. Oh yeah. They even gave me stickers this time. That's cool. I think they gave me those last time. You're using those. Not sure what that's supposed to do, but okay, it's a thought that counts, I guess. Oh yeah. Talked about right here. I'm hoping. Yes. Okay. Right there. Right here. See what we got. Interesting. Usually it's a flip open, but went with this design. That's fine. We got the blue body. Here's this controller here. I have this one, same one. It works pretty good actually. It's got all the endpoints for steering and throttle. I don't like the push button trims, but that's the only thing I don't like about it. And also 8 AA's, that's annoying, but other than that, it's a good radio. I haven't had any problems with it so far. Alright. Yes, there it is. Right here. The rubber stinger thing, didn't know it came with that, but that's cool. Wow. I don't know how long this has been sitting in that hobby shop. I'm assuming for a while. Ooh, yeah, look at that. It's got some like oil from something. Maybe this was on their display shelf or something. I don't know. Let's see. Oof. Yeah, this thing is. This thing is. Look at that. Just the body's pushed right through the crack there. That's fine. Okay, not sure how that's gonna come off. Come on. All right, so there's a little bit of a damage there. That's fine. I'm not really too worried about that. Look at that. That is some shiny metal right there, or aluminum right there. So you got the. For some reason, they give you this little glow plug extender thing, which maybe I'll figure out what that's for or why that's there, but shocks feel really smooth right now. We'll see over time. But yeah, this is the Nitro Hyper 10SC, brand new. Well, mostly new. What else we got? This same thing on the other one I got. The foam filters, pretty much shot, as you can tell. I mean, there's basically dust, which is fine. Traxxas air cleaners fit on here just fine. That's where I'm running on my mini Hyper ST right now. There's a Traxxas air cleaner, works just fine. Looks like this has been opened at least once, which is fine also. What do we got here? Antenna tube, stickers. Yeah. Alright, that's fine. Usual black and white manual, very colorless, but still useful. Yep. Ours will tell you all the setups and everything. That's good. Alright. Mostly interested in this engine here. Did I get a glow plug with this thing? I don't see a glow plug. That's fine. Also, I guess... Wait, no. Yeah. Maybe... No glow plug. So I'll have to supply that my own. Oh, yeah. It's got some pinch to it. Of course, it's dry. We'll see how long this Polestar lasts. I had a Hyper Mini Hyper 12. Not the Mini, the Hyper 12 engine. It Polestar didn't last very long. We'll see about this one. This is the 18. Oh wow, that rubber is long gone. So this has been on the shelf, I'm going to guess, for at least 10 years. Ew, that pipe is not on there straight either. I'll fix that later. Yeah, so that is that's interesting. The Hyper where is this? The Hyper 10SC. Yep. Nitro. So we'll see how well we go with this, and I'm looking forward to. It's a nice big tank. Look forward to see how this engine does after I get a glow plug in it, and see how the servos do. It's a nice big battery box. That's nice. The Hyper Mini SC. It's just absolutely small. You know what? Let's see. See what we got inside here. Alright, as you can see, we got the battery tray. You got your little AA, not a AAA this time, AA pack, which I'm obviously not going to run that, but that's a lot of space. A lot of space to fit a normal 5-cell hump pack or any other lithium-based battery you want to run. I think I might just run the stock radio for now. Yeah, so there it is. As far as I know, this is the only, at least in the US, the only place I could purchase one online that's still brand new, because obviously they discontinued, at least in the US, the Nitro version. You still got the electric version, but that's not as fun. So yeah, there we go. Look forward to putting maybe a running video on it at some point, whenever I get the time. And the cool thing about this is this chassis has been around forever, and you can still get parts for it. One reason I like all these Hobao vehicles is you can still get parts for them. They keep them going. Even in their 8-scale models and everything, you can just keep running them, keep getting parts, and yeah, so sweet. Looking forward to getting it going. Oh yeah. Alright, that's all I got. Hobao Hyper 10SC Nitro. Let's make it happen. See you in the next one.